In this work, we would like to present an unsupervised generative modeling method called Domain Partitioning Networks. The goal of generative modeling is to decrease a given distance between the distribution of the real and synthetic data. For doing so, one does not require any external human supervision, just sheer amounts of raw data. However, defining, evaluating, and minimizing the distance between two distributions is often not trivial. Generative adversarial networks approach this problem by learning the metric from the data, by iteratively training a discriminator network to distinguish real samples from the model distribution, while the generator networks are trained to maximize the error of the discriminators, thus bringing the model distribution closer to the real distribution in return. In the original paper of the proof of convergence relies on the assumption of infinite capacity, while in reality this is hardly the case. And even though the sample quality can be stunning, the diversity of such models is often compromised. This phenomenon is often referred to as mode collapse. In our work, we approach this problem of mode collapse as follows. We partition both the model and the real data distribution with an external classifier, Q. We assign an individual discriminator for each corresponding partition, then in turn forces the generator to recover various partitions of the true data distribution. The idea behind the method was the following. If we train a generator and discriminator pair from scratch, even if they do collapse, they might do so over different regions of the distribution. So basically, we could just train infinitely many pairs and randomly choose one at will to ensure full coverage. Or we could actually restrict the intersection by introducing a third player to the adversarial game, the classifier Q that assigns each of the pairs to a different region. In the paper, we show that the new objective's global minimum can be achieved if and only if the regions are not overlapping. Therefore, we provide a theoretical lower bound on number of modes that the GAN setup can collapse into. We show benefits of using multiple discriminators in a proposed fashion, both in toy experiments and complex image generation tasks as well, where both in terms of accuracy and diversity, we outperform other methods employing multi-discriminators. Thank you for watching.